Hello everyone, thank you very much for clicking on my video and coming back to my channel. We all are staying at home now, and most of us, and I would like to share with you my best perfumes that helps me to lift my mood and make me feel cozy at home and just make me feel good about myself. So my first one will be Poison Girl. I think loads of you know that this is my very favorite one. It's my signature scent. This is such a lovely scent, just very homey, very cozy. Oh, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful scent. It's very inviting, very calming. I spray it, for example, before I go to bed, and then I wake up to this nice, calming, inviting, cozy vanilla scent. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's got vanilla, tolu balm, tonka bean, rose, almonds in there, and it's very sweet. It's just very beautiful, divine. It's like heaven, absolutely heavenly scent. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous, it's feminine, it's sexy as well, so it's very good for going out, but we are not going out very often now. But like for home, I can't get enough of it. I will just spray it and spray it and spray it. In fact, I'm gonna spray it now. This is absolutely my number one. Gorgeous. So that's Poison Girl from Christian Dior. Next fragrance is Nuit Tresor à la Folie from Lancome. It's beautiful fragrance, very fruity. It's gorgeous fragrance, very fruity, a little bit like cherry, but there's no cherry in it. And there's red berries, pink pepper, Damascus rose, tonka bean, violet, blackcurrant, pear. It's very long lasting. The sillage is great. It's very nice. It makes you feel like you wanna melt. It's just so cozy. Very, very nice scent. It's beautiful, and sillage is great, longevity is great. Once you spray it on, it just lasts and lasts, and you keep wondering like, what's that smell? What smells so nice? So I definitely suggest this one, La Nuit Tresor à la Folie from Lancome. The next one will be quite popular one, and it's from Dior Addict. It's very addictive scent, as it says in the name. It's gorgeous. It's very nice, vanilla, sweet, cozy scent. It smells so good. You can definitely smell jasmine in there and vanilla. It's very vanilla scent, very sweet. Whenever I spray it on, I feel like during the day I keep thinking, oh, what smells so nice, and then I realize like, oh, it's actually that scent. So yeah, it does makes me feel nice and happy, and just nice and cozy. And it's white florals in there, which is, yeah, beautiful scent. I had the other bottle as well, the original. The first one before it was reformulated, but it's still good. Whether it's the first original or this one, it's still good. I mean, it's great. It's oldie but goodie. So I definitely recommend this one, Dior Addict. The other one will be Tom Ford Noir from Femme. That's another one, very spicy. To me, it's a little bit like nutty, very sweet. My whole room is gonna smell sweet and cozy. So this one is very cozy, a scent as well. the dry down on it, it's so good as well. It's same like on Poison Girl, like so nice and cozy and just very inviting, just gorgeous vanilla. It's got quite a smooth blend and it's quite complex fragrance. It's got vanilla, bergamot, orange, I think something called kulfi, it's quite sweet, and amber. Yeah, it's gorgeous scent. It makes me feel really nice and cozy when I wear it at home, so yeah, I recommend this one for wearing at home. Encore Noir Perfume. Now another one will be my favorite one, Miss Dior, Absolutely Blooming. This scent is absolutely beautiful. It's very fruity. It's got a lot of raspberries, and it's got a very nice raspberry note in there. It's quite girly, it's very uplifting, it makes your mood nice and just very happy. So it's very uplifting and fresh, and it's just very nice. If you feel down, just spray it on and you feel happier straight away. So beautiful, fresh, fruity scent, and it lasts a long time. Sillage is great, so beautiful. That one is Miss Dior, Absolutely Blooming. Another one will be from Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. That's very fresh scent if you want to feel like very clean and out of the shower, and just very good about yourself. That's very good scent. It's very classy scent. It's got patchouli in it, orange blossom. It's quite like oriental and fresh. It's not too sweet, but it's very calm, and yeah, it's very soothing. It's a beautiful scent, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. And the last one will be Stella from Stella McCartney. That scent is absolutely gorgeous. It's got rose in it. It's very versatile scent, and it's very nice for spring, sometimes even for summer. And it's just like nice and cozy. You just feel very nice about yourself when you wear it. You can wear it whenever you feel like just to smell nice. You don't know how you wanna smell, just you wanna smell nice. And it's very versatile smell, and it's very well rounded. So yeah, that's very nice. Like when you just want to smell nice and you have no extra requirements. That's really nice smell. That's a Stella by Stella McCartney. And I think I covered all my scents that I wanted to mention. I can mention another one that's I keep mentioning all the time. That's Eau Nude by Next, and it's very nice out of the shower, calming, clean scent, very bright and refreshing. I spray it quite a lot because I don't want to use fragrances that cost a lot of money, so this one is quite affordable and cheap. So that's why I sprayed it around the house, because it's just very good value for money and affordable. So I can spray a lot, and I don't feel like I wasted all the more expensive fragrances just for wearing at home, like Tom Ford or Christian Dior or Lancome. So in this case I can just use this one, and this one is really nice as well. I always say it's very close to Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, just cheaper. So I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you kept watching it until now, give me thumbs up if you like my video, comment down below. And today's word for comment, if you sticked around for so long, will be raspberry. So if you watched it until this point, comment down below the word raspberry, and I will know that you watched it all the way through. So thank you very much again, and I hope you have a nice, cozy staying at home. Thank you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell down there so you get notified of my future videos, and subscribe if you like my content. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in the next one. Bye!